How do you use motifs and symbols in your screenplay without making them feel forced or pretentious? Motifs and symbols are tools that add layers to your script. They give it depth, theme, and emotional texture, but only when used with purpose. A symbol is a single image, an object, or an idea that represents something larger. A motif is that symbol repeated throughout the story to create meaning. For example, in Jaws, the ocean represents fear and the unknown. In The Godfather, oranges appear whenever death is near. In Up, the house is a symbol of Carl's attachment to the past, and it becomes a motif because it keeps returning, changing meaning as he changes. To use them well, start with your theme. Ask yourself, what is my story really about? And once you know that, then find an image or an idea that reflects it visually. If your story is about control, then maybe it is a key. If it is about freedom, then maybe it is a bird or the open sky. And then repeat it, but never in the exact same way. Each time the symbol appears, it should evolve along with the character. And that is what turns just a simple prop into a motif. That is what makes people afraid of oranges. For example, in your screenplay, a broken watch might represent guilt. Then later, when the character repairs it, it represents forgiveness. The object hasn't changed, but the meaning has, or perhaps it has changed because it's been fixed, and also the meaning has changed. Try to avoid spelling it out in dialogue. The fun with this is the subtleness. The power of symbolism comes from recognition and not explanation. Let the audience make the connection. It's the kind of thing where people can watch something over and over again and maybe pick up new details. But also, don't overload your script with too many motifs. 1 or 2 strong ones are far more effective than dozens of weak ones all over the place. And remember that symbols aren't just decorations, they are emotional anchors. They are in there for a reason. And if you removed them, then your story would feel less rich or less complete. Motifs work best when they tie emotion, theme, and story together, when they show what your characters can't say. And that is how to use motifs and symbols in your script with subtlety and purpose. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.